How does a hybrid car work? Have you ever wondered how hybrid cars manage to use both gas and electricity to move? Are they really better for the environment and your wallet? Let's break it down in a simple and engaging way so you can understand exactly how hybrid cars work. 1. What is a hybrid car? A hybrid car is a vehicle that combines two power sources: an electric motor powered by a battery, a gasoline engine, instead of relying only on gas like a traditional car or only on electricity like an electric vehicle (EV). A hybrid smartly switches between both to maximize efficiency and reduce fuel consumption. It's like having two teammates working together to give you the best performance. 2. How does a hybrid car work? Hybrid cars operate in different modes depending on the driving situation. Electric mode, EV mode. When driving at low speeds like in traffic or city streets, the car runs only on the electric motor using power from the battery. This means zero emissions and no gas usage. A hybrid mode. When you need more power like accelerating or going uphill, the gas engine and electric motor work together. This helps improve fuel efficiency while still providing enough power. A gas mode. When cruising at high speeds on the highway, the gasoline engine takes over completely as it's more efficient at constant speeds. A regenerative braking. Every time you hit the brakes, the car converts kinetic energy motion into electricity, which recharges the battery. That's right, your car actually creates its own power as you drive. 3. What are the types of hybrid cars? Not all hybrids work the same way. There are three main types. The parallel hybrid, most common, the electric motor and gas engine work together to power the wheels. Example, Toyota Prius, a series hybrid. The electric motor does all the work and the gas engine only charges the battery. It doesn't directly move the wheels. Example, BMW i3 with range extender. A plug-in hybrid works like a regular hybrid but with a bigger battery that you can charge with a plug, can drive longer distances on electric power alone before needing gas. Example, Chevrolet Volt, Toyota Prius Prime. 4. Hybrid cars really worth it. Now that you know how they work, let's look at the pros and cons. Advantages. Better fuel efficiency. Save money on gas. Lower emissions, help the environment. Less maintenance. The electric motor reduces wear on the engine. Quiet and smooth driving. Disadvantages. More expensive upfront than regular cars. Battery replacement can be costly, not as eco-friendly as full electric cars. Final thoughts. Should you get a hybrid? Hybrid cars are a great option if you want to save money on gas while still having the reliability of a gasoline engine. They're perfect for city driving, where you can take full advantage of the electric motor and regenerative braking. Would you consider getting a hybrid car? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. Thanks for watching.